Welcome to WiselyWise Virtual Courses. Artificial Intelligence Mentor Course for Adults. AI is leading the fourth industrial revolution. We are already being impacted by AI in our daily lives. Acquiring AI skills is very critical for students as they pursue higher studies and getting ready for the AI future. Based on this, WiselyWise is introducing an AI mentor course for adults. In this course, students will learn fundamentals of AI, AI terms and definitions, machine learning, algorithms, flowcharts, and computational concepts, robotics, introduction to Python, machine learning projects, and do hands-on projects virtually with the instructor. All students will get access to the AI Mentor course on WiseCentral, our AI education platform. From this course, students introduce concepts in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics. They will also get exposure to Python programming, Python coding, and use them to create projects. After completing the course, students create their own digital portfolio deck, complete projects, get course completion certificate, and by the end of this course, students will be capable of creating advanced Python programs in artificial intelligence courses. Enroll now to get started in this AI world faster than other.